I built my own version of Alex Hermozi that gives me million-dollar business advice on demand. And it only took me 30 minutes to create.
Most entrepreneurs struggle for hours trying to apply expert advice to their specific business, watching videos after video with no personalized guidance.
My name is Umnia. I've spent the last 12 years in the tech industry, the last 3 focused on AI and automation. Let me show you what it can do.
Watch what happens when I ask my AI version of Alex Hermozi a business question. Hey Alex, I'm a solopreneur making 5K a month with my AI agency, but I can't seem to break through to the next level. What should I do to scale my business? Claude, my AI engine, first runs a broad search across the database using the knowledge retrieval tool. It pulls up multiple responses, casting a wide net to find the most relevant content. These responses include a variety of insights, like strategies for scaling, customer acquisition, and pricing. But here's where it gets really interesting. Claude doesn't just stop here. It uses the metadata from the first set of results to refine the search. If something in the initial response stands out as relevant, for example, an insight on customer acquisition or scaling strategies, Claude drills down further, filtering through more detailed and specific content based on the original response. Claude continues this process, searching deeper and deeper into the database until it finds the exact advice I need for my specific situation. And here's what happens next. After multiple refinements and searches, now let's ask Ali Abdal the same question. Since this is the first time I'm talking to Ali, we first need to add his personality prompt so that the AI can respond in his signature style. Now that Ali's personality is set, here's the question I'm asking him. Hey Ali, I'm a solopreneur making 5K a month with my AI agency, but I can't seem to break through to the next level. What should I do to scale my business? Since this is my first time interacting with Ali, there is no pre-existing content or video imported yet. So, Claude starts by using the knowledge retrieval tool to search for relevant content. Since the first search didn't return anything useful, Claude then turns to the search tool, which specifically looks through Ali's channel for any related content. After using the search tool to gather potential relevant videos from Ali's channel, Claude next searches through the metadata of those videos, looking at video descriptions, summaries, and other metadata to identify any content that stands out as potentially useful for answering the question. Once Claude identifies a relevant video, it uses the video importer tool to bring that video into the conversation. Now it has the specific content it needs, and Claude can begin analyzing the video with the knowledge retrieval tool again. Now that Claude has imported the video, it pulls relevant insights from the video's content and combines that with the search result to deliver a more refined, tailored response to help me scale my AI business. Here's what most people miss. The real power isn't just having an AI Hormozi. It's that with just one prompt change, you can transform this into any expert's AI twin. Want advice from Grant Cardone instead?
It's change one prompt.
Need Tony Robbins?
It's change one prompt.
Let me prove it to you today. I've made my complete system available for free in my school community, including all templates, prompts, and step-by-step setup instructions. Click the link in the description and join now and build your own expert AI twin in the next 30 minutes.
Most of us can't get direct advice from experts like Hermozi. We watch hours of content trying to apply their methods to our situations. But what if you could ask them directly about your specific challenge? That is what this system does. It processes all their content, understands the relationships between concepts, and delivers personalized advice in their exact style. Let's break down how it works. At the core is Model Context Protocol, MCP. Think of it as a universal translator between your AI and different tools. Before MCP, you'd need to manually configure each connection between your AI and external services. It was tedious and prone to breaking. MCP eliminates that hassle. Your AI connects to one MCP server that handles all communication with different services automatically. This means your system stays reliable and can be expanded easily without reconfiguring everything. For storing knowledge, we use RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This creates a searchable knowledge base of all the experts' content. If you want a deeper dive on RAG, check out my previous video where I explain it in detail. For now, just know it allows our AI to find the most relevant information from hours of content in milliseconds. Today, I'll show you exactly how I built the system using 3 components. N8N for workflow automation, Claude MCP MCP for the brain, and Qdrant as the knowledge base.
Let me break down exactly how the system works and why it's so powerful.
At the center of everything is this MCP server trigger. Think of it as your command center. When Claude connects here, it instantly gains access to all these powerful tools I've built around it. Let me show you how these components dance together to create something truly magical. The knowledge retriever is your guru's perfect memory. When you ask a question about scaling your business or creating better offers, it instantly searches through their entire content library to find the exact advice you need. But here's the problem most people face. Your favorite guru keeps creating new content every week or every day. How do you possibly keep up? Therefore, you need the video content importer. With just one command and a YouTube URL, it automatically processes any new video and adds it to your guru's knowledge base in seconds. What would take hours of watching and note-taking happens automatically. These YouTube tools provide the complete picture. I've used both official YouTube nodes and a custom HTTP nodes to create a toolkit that pulls in everything from video descriptions to comments, where your guru clarifies important points. Here's what makes this powerful. Everything connects to this central MCP server, creating a seamless experience where Claude can access any tool it needs without you having to configure anything. It's like having your own personal research team working behind the scenes 24/7, while you just have a natural conversation with your AI guru.
The knowledge retriever is the heart of our system. When you ask a question, it converts your question into a vector, searches the database for related content, retrieves the most relevant information from Alex's content, and passes it to Claude to generate a response.
Most research systems only look for keywords. They miss the deeper meaning behind your questions. But our knowledge retriever is different. Your question enters the system through one of these trigger nodes. It could come directly from your chat or from another workflow calling this one. The question flows into the set field node where it gets properly formatted with all the metadata needed for an effective research. Therefore, we need this get memory node, the true hero of our system. It connects to Qdrant, a specialized vector database that transforms your entire question into a mathematical pattern called a vector. This embedded model makes that possible by converting text into these complex vector patterns that capture meaning, not just words. What makes this truly powerful is the video content importer. With one command, you can add any new video to the knowledge base. When you say add this video to the guru's brain and pass a link, the system grabs the video content and transcripts, extracts key information, formats and vectorizes it, and adds it to the database. Most AI systems become outdated the moment you create them, but our system grows smarter with every new video your guru releases.
Let's break down this YouTube to vector pipeline step by step. First, the triggers. Whether a user submits a video link via chat or another workflow pings this automation, we standardize the input here at the edit field node. Notice how we're extracting both the raw query and session ID upfront. This prevents context loss later. This node uses Google Gemini to analyze the input text and extract the YouTube video ID. The only reason I'm using Gemini here is because I'm using it in the next AI node, but feel free to use whatever LLM you need. Now we make three surgical API calls. First, get YouTube video. It grabs metadata like title and duration. Then, get channel fetches the creator's custom URL, which becomes our Qdrant collection name. Finally, we hit search API for the full transcript. Here's where we transform raw transcripts. The split out node explodes the JSON array into individual segments, while the concatenate node reassembles them into logical blocks. This dual approach gives us both granular control and cohesive text for summarization. This LLM chain is where context gets enriched. We feed it the reassembled transcript with strict formatting rules, markdown headers, bolded key terms, and comparative tables. The prompt engineering here ensures outputs are structured for retrieval, not just human readable. Now, my custom chunking algorithm, it processes each transcript segment with timecode math, creating 60-second windows with metadata like clickable YouTube deep links, readable timestamps, and chunk indexing for cross-referencing. It handles edge cases. If a sentence spans out 60-second boundary, it intelligently carries it over. The final stretch is the character text splitter, which optimizes chunk sizes. The default data loader standardizes the schema, and I'm using Azure OpenAI to generate the embedding. You can use whatever LLM
column you want for the embedding as well. The critical detail here, we're attaching the video title and summary as metadata before Qdrant insertion, creating a rich context graph. For scalability, we batch process everything through this loop. The merge node combines our process chunks with their summaries, while the final set node ensures all the metadata is properly namespaced. This is what enables lightning-fast semantic search later.
If you're finding this valuable so far, make sure to grab my complete templates package from my school community. Link will be in the description below. It includes everything we've covered so far, plus the advanced configuration we're about to discuss.
To capture every insight, we use specialized YouTube tools that get video description for context, extracts comments where your guru might clarify points, find the most engaging moments in videos, pull details from across their channel. Most people focus only on video content, but your guru shares valuable insights in description, comments, and across different videos. The Get Video Description tools pull all the metadata, title, description, tags, and view count. This gives crucial context about which videos resonated most with the audience. The Get Comments tool captures something most people completely overlook, the discussion happening in comment section, where gurus often clarify points that weren't in the main video. The Search and Get Videos of Channels tools allow our system to intelligently discover related content. If your AI detects it needs more information on a topic, it can identify which videos to suggest importing next. Every single tool connects directly to our MCP server. Most AI systems feel generic and lifeless, but our system captures the unique voice, insight, and teaching style of your favorite guru. The setup has three critical components. First, the base configuration connects Claude to our N8N workflow, the communication channel between your AI and all our tools. Second, the system prompt defines how responses should be structured, the rules for searching, the knowledge base, and formatting answers. But here's where the real transformation happens: the personality prompt. This single prompt controls how your AI guru communicates, the vocabulary and phrases they use, how they structure advice and explanation, the unique communication style and tone, the frameworks and mental models they reference. This is the only prompt you need to update depending on which guru you want to emulate. Therefore, everything else in this system stays exactly the same regardless of which guru you choose. Once Ali Abdal, just update this one prompt and import the videos instead. Same question, completely different response style, just by changing one prompt. This makes your system infinitely adaptable to any expert with YouTube content. Most people think setting up an AI system like this requires technical expertise and days of work. But you can have this running in just 30 minutes by following these big, easy, new, and safe steps. First, use the one-click deploy RAG pipeline on Cloud Station. This automatically sets up both N8N and Qdrant already configured to work together. This handles all the complex infrastructure you'd normally need to set this up manually. Next, import my workflow templates from the school community. This gives you all these essential workflows: the expert advisor, the knowledge retriever, and the video content importer, already connected and ready to use. No coding required. Let's download Claude Desktop. Navigate to claude.ai/download and then select your preferred distribution. Complete the installation setup. Then launch Claude Desktop. Go to Settings, then Developer, and click on Edit Config to open the configuration file. You can choose your editor of choice. I'm using Cursor. Then in your code editor, add the following JSON configuration. You'll find it in the school community. And remember to replace your N8N instance URL with your actual N8N instance URL. Save the configuration file. Restart Claude Desktop. You should see that now the new MCP servers appear in your Claude desktop. Once completed, your Claude desktop will be connected to the Expert Advisor system through your N8N instance. Claude can run MCP servers without creating an actual project structure. To provide examples and workflows for Claude to follow, we need reference files. Go to the school community, download the zip file containing all prompts and reference files. This package will include the following key files: the personality prompt, tool references, font format, Qdrant patterns, example scenarios, and the main prompt. So we're going to start by copying the main prompt and put it in the instructions. And then we're gonna add all the extracted files to the Claude project. These files will provide Claude with the necessary context, personality profiles, response templates, and example scenarios to efficiently function as the YouTube guru agent. The system will use these references to adopt different guru personas and provide advice in their specific styles. Once connected, you're ready to start adding videos and asking questions. In just 30 minutes, you'll have your own AI expert that gets smarter with every video and add something that would normally take technical teams weeks to build.
What we built today isn't just a chatbot. It's a customizable AI expert that gets smarter with every new piece of content you add to it. And here's the kicker. I can make this agent speak in Alex's voice through WhatsApp or phone call. Imagine getting a call from your AI Hormozi with personalized business advice. I use similar technology in my AI agent, Charlie, that runs my entire business. Want to see how all these AI pieces work together in one powerful system? Check out this video. Do you want to know how to add a real voice to this agent? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials that actually delivers value to your business.